Puerto Rico's LNG shift strengthens grid reliability. Puerto Rico's energy strategy is undergoing a quiet but meaningful shift, with liquefied natural gas (LNG) playing a more central role in stabilizing the island's grid. The first year of operations for the U.S. flagged LNG carrier American Energy, operated by Crowley, signals a step toward a more structured and reliable fuel supply model. Since launching service in March 2025, the vessel has delivered more than 2 million cubic meters of U.S.-sourced LNG to the island. That equates to roughly 549 million gallons, enough energy to power an estimated 1.2 million homes annually. For a grid long challenged by outages and fuel constraints, that level of consistency matters. The shift also reflects a broader move away from diesel-heavy generation. LNG use has cut associated emissions by close to 30% compared to traditional fuels, positioning natural gas as a practical, if interim, option in Puerto Rico's longer-term energy transition. While not a zero-carbon solution, LNG is increasingly being treated as a bridge between legacy systems and future renewables. Infrastructure, partnerships, and economic spillover. The supply model is anchored by a multi-year agreement with Naturgy, which channels LNG into the Eco Electrica power plant, one of the island's key generation assets. The facility converts imported gas into electricity for residential, commercial, and essential services, making it a cornerstone of day-to-day grid operations. Reliability has been a defining feature of the first year. Continuous deliveries from a dedicated carrier reduce exposure to supply disruptions, a persistent issue for island energy systems. This consistency supports not only households but also industrial activity and public infrastructure that depend on stable power. Beyond maritime transport, supporting infrastructure is expanding the system's reach. Crowley's operations include a San Juan cargo terminal alongside LNG distribution from Peñuelas, where roughly 94 million gallons are supplied annually to industrial users. This layered approach helps ease bottlenecks and spreads access more evenly across the island. The economic dimension is also notable. The American Energy has supported 90 maritime jobs in its first year, including training roles for cadets and apprentices. Around 1/5 of these positions have been filled by Puerto Rican workers, linking energy investment with workforce participation. Local leadership has pointed to the project as part of a broader push to strengthen energy resilience while supporting economic growth and infrastructure development. The model, combining dedicated transport, integrated logistics, and long-term partnerships, offers a template for how island economies can rethink energy delivery. LNG's role in Puerto Rico is unlikely to be permanent, but for now it is proving to be a stabilizing force in a system that has long needed one.